welcome to my channel. My name is Cherry Mark. Thanks for joining me. Don't mind my background. What I'm doing is I'm preparing Kikuyu food. I'm right here in Kenya. I'm at home. I feel excited. I am happy. And yeah, now without wasting much time, thanks again for joining me in my channel. Thanks again for being part of it. Today I'm going to teach you some small things that you may not have known, and yeah, keep tuned. So once again, thank you for joining me. Thanks so much for those who have been subscribing, and even for those who are newcomers in this Kikuyu channel, thanks and thanks a lot. So today we're going to learn small things that we get in our Kikuyu home. The first thing I'm going to teach you is how do we call this. As you can see, these are green bananas. Green bananas are called marigo ma koruga. Marigo ma koruga. Marigo ma koruga. Bananas are called marigo. Koruga is cooking. Green bananas for cooking, or cooking bananas. Marigo ma koruga. Marigo ma koruga. Koruga is cooking. Marigo bananas. Marigo ma koruga, cooking bananas. Now yeah, from my surrounding, I'm just going to pick something. I'm in the process of preparing Kikuyu dinner. So as you can have a look, this is a potato that we use also in the Kikuyu home, mostly for cooking our food, traditional food like mokimo. Mokimo is kind of puree with maize, potatoes, bananas, whatever you like. It is a food that is mashed together with potatoes, with peas, with beans, with maize, anything. You can put that in. It's called mokimo, or other people call it irio. So you can choose whatever name you want. So this is a potato. How do I call a potato in Kikuyu? A potato is called waru. 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 Now let's go ahead. I have something near me. This is a maize cob. I was just preparing some maize, and this is what left. How do I call a maize cob? A maize cob is called moshakwe. Moshakwe. I have a bunch of them right here from what I prepared. Meshakwe. When there are many, meshakwe. When it's one, moshakwe. Now, from this, I have the maize. Now, hold on. This is the maize that we get in Kenya or any other part of the world, or some people call that corn. Here it's called bebe, bebe, bebe. Now there are different kind of maize. For example, you have the cooking maize, you have the roasting maize, you have tinned corn or tinned maize, whatever it is. It's called bebe. Now this one is for cooking. For example, this is green maize for cooking. How do I call green maize for cooking? Bebe ya koruga. Bebe ya koruga. Now normally the green maize is either how do you call it? It's either dry or green. So how do I call the one that's not dry, the very young milky maize? Bebe joa. Bebe joa. Bebe joa. How do I call the hard maize, or the the really dry one. Bebe nyumu. Bebe nyumu. Bebe nyumu. Now, how do I call roasted maize? Bebe ya kuhehia. Bebe ya kuhehia. Bebe ya kuhehia. Kuhehia is roasting. Bebe, we said, is maize. Bebe ya kuhehia. Now this we said it's cooking maize. It's called bebe ya kuruga or bebe joa because it's green, it's still young, and it's crunchy. It's bebe joa or bebe ya kuruga. Now, the other thing I wanted to teach you guys is how do I say peeling? How do I call peeling? For example, I am peeling these bananas right now. As you can see, this is what I am doing. Koa marigo. Koa marigo. Koa marigo is peeling bananas. Peeling bananas. Koa marigo. How do I call this? This is called kahio. Kahio. Kahio, it's a knife. Koa marigo na kahio. Diroa marigo na kahio. I am peeling bananas with a knife. Koa marigo na kahio. How do I say peeling potatoes? Koa waru. Ne waru diroa. Koa waru. Waru, we said, are potatoes. Koa waru. Now, I'm going to end this video right here. Thanks again for joining me. It's getting dark, as you can see. All of a sudden, it has really changed and become dark. So guys, thank you so much for joining me. Keep tuned next time, and I am excited for more videos right here in Kenya. And keep subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, click that button. I don't know, it's down here, around here. Click the subscribe button. Subscribe to this channel. Until next time, goodbye and have a nice evening wherever you are. See you again. Bye bye.